Hello there and welcome to today's video. In this short guide, I'm going to show you how to type the number sign, or hash, on your PC or laptop keyboard. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Before we begin, I just want to pull out the on-screen keyboard since we will be using shortcuts. This is for visual aid only, since you already have your keyboard. So don't worry about using the on-screen keyboard if you have a keyboard in front of you. To type the number sign using the first shortcut, just press and hold the Shift key. Whilst holding onto the Shift key, press the 3 key, which is right above the E and W keys. As you press and release the 3 key, the number sign will be inserted successfully. As you can see here, this is one of the easiest ways to type this symbol on the keyboard. The second method involves using something called the Alt code method. To use this method, press and hold down one of the Alt keys. While holding down this key, come to the numeric keypad on the right, then type 35. After typing the code, now release the Alt key. As you can see, the number sign is inserted successfully. Let's do that one more time for clarity. Just press down the Alt key, then type 35 using the numeric keypad on the right, then release the Alt key. This is how you may type or insert the number sign anywhere using the keyboard. This method is quick and efficient, but always remember, it requires a keyboard with a numeric keypad. If you're using a laptop without the numpad, the on-screen keyboard is your friend, or continue watching for alternative methods. If you are using a laptop with a small keyboard that doesn't have a separate numeric keypad, I'll show you a third method that will get you this symbol. To access the number sign with this next method, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This brings up the Start menu. Now start typing character map. Once you see the character map in the search results, just click on it to open it. When it opens up, you'll see all these symbols. It can sometimes be difficult to locate the symbol you want. However, the number sign is right here in front of us. But if for any reason you can't find the symbol on your end, there's a way out to easily locate the number sign. You need to do a search, and to do a search, come down here and click on this checkbox where it says Advanced View. It will reveal to you these extra options. Down here, you should see this search box. Use it to search for the number sign. Just type the word number sign in the search box and hit the Enter key. As you can see, the number sign will show up for you to copy. And to copy this symbol, simply double-click to select it. Once it is selected, you'll see it here in the Character to Copy field. Then click on this Copy button, and it'll be copied to your clipboard. Now switch to where you need to insert the symbol, and press Ctrl and V to paste. These are a couple of different ways that you can use to type or insert the number sign. If you learned something from this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.